Today we are going to cover the scheduler module of Service Compass in this video. We'll click on the scheduler module. Basically, scheduler module is going to help you with the background jobs. Example, if you don't want to uh, go and execute your any of the module uh, on daytime on business hour, but you want to execute that on a schedule on off business hour, you can always take the help of scheduler module. So what this module is all about, it will ask you for the module for which you want to run on the background during off business hour. So, for example, if you want to run inventory inspector, secretary analyzer, best practice, any of this module, you can simply come here and click on that module, and then you can come here and you can put the cron schedule over here. So it will execute this. You can get the drop down list, and if you don't understand what is cron job, you can come here, click here, and it will help you to explain that what does it mean. Like the first box talks about the minute, then hour, then day, then month, and then day of the week. So this is the detail around what you have to put on each box, and if you uh, understand what is your requirement, you can come here and you can start putting those detail over here. For example, if I put over here, right, every 1 minute I want to run, and then if I can also choose the time zone where I want to run this. Example, if I use UTC and if I click on create task, it will go and create a task on the background with all the required information so that it will get executed on this schedule which I have just asked for. You can always update your task with if you want to modify the schedule over here, and if you want to execute this task uh, on demand. Now, if I want to run, you can always execute this, and if you are no longer requiring this task, you can always suspend this, and if it's suspended, you can always resume this task. So this is more towards management of your schedule, and this is more towards your schedule, how you want to execute a particular module on the background. And then you can always see the detail when this will run. So there is a latency on this detail, but if it gets executed, you will see the detail after 45 minutes over here, the detail around the execution of the task history. This is very simple module, and no fancy item over here, but it will really help you if you want to run any module. Say example, if you want to run a security analyzer or best practice analyzer, say once in a week or every day at the night 2 a.m., right? You don't have to wake up and execute on those business hours. This module can help you schedule that part on the background. So behind the scene, it will create the task and do all the activity. So that's all about the this module, and likewise any other module, if you are executing this detail from based even on the schedule, but if you know at what schedule you are executing the report, you can always come on the report extractor and then select those date, and it will you are still eligible to extract the report out of that. So this module will help you to execute the thing automatically on the schedule, and then report extractor module will help you to uh, uh, so let me just suspend because I don't want to burn my queries for this. But the idea is that report extractor will help you to extract offline when in the morning you come, right? So that's the idea to make your life more easier. So at the moment it's like task suspended because I don't want this task to be running every 1 minute. But that's all about the scheduler module. Uh, Thank you.